Medieval castles were designed as formidable fortresses, with moats serving as the first line of defense. These water-filled or dry ditches weren't just barriers, they slowed attackers, making them vulnerable to arrows from above. The towering walls, often 10 to 20 feet thick, featured clever designs like curved surfaces to deflect projectiles and arrow slits that allowed defenders to shoot safely. This dual-layer defense system showcases how medieval engineers combined physical obstacles with psychological warfare to protect the inhabitants within. The gatehouse was the castle's most vulnerable point, and its most deadly. Multiple defenses worked in concert. A portcullis, heavy iron grate, could crush intruders, while murder holes in the ceiling allowed defenders to pour boiling oil or drop rocks. Flanking towers provided crossfire angles, turning the entrance into a killing zone. Some castles even had false gateways leading to dead ends. This intricate system reveals how medieval architects turned apparent weaknesses into strengths, controlling every movement of would-be attackers. The keep, or donjon, was the castle's ultimate stronghold and a physical manifestation of power. Its thick walls protected the lord's family, while interior spaces reflected strict social hierarchy. Noble quarters occupied upper floors with large windows, while servants lived in cramped basement areas. The Great Hall hosted feasts to display wealth, often directly above cold storage cellars, a practical use of temperature gradients. Secret passages allowed discreet movement, showing how architecture served both status and survival in medieval society. Beneath the visible structures lay a web of hidden passages serving critical functions. Escape tunnels led to nearby forests or allied buildings, while spy holes allowed monitoring of prisoners. Some staircases were intentionally uneven to trip invaders in darkness. Underground water systems provided siege-resistant supplies, and acoustic designs amplified sounds of approaching enemies. These covert elements reveal how castles functioned as sophisticated machines of war, where every architectural detail had strategic purpose beyond its surface appearance. The principles behind medieval castle design persist in modern architecture and security. The concept of layered defenses evolved into today's perimeter security systems. Zoned spaces separating public-private areas mirror the keep's hierarchy. Even panic rooms descend from the lord's secure chambers. Perhaps most significantly, castles demonstrated how design could shape human behavior, a principle now fundamental to urban planning. By studying these ancient structures, we uncover timeless truths about balancing protection, power, and daily life in built environments.